Welcome from the new garage. So there's one small problem when we drove the truck here, and that's that one of the tires went flat again, the one that we replaced. I think I might not have tightened it enough, the air valve, because it came off and then the entire tire deflated. But I could drive on. Might not have been the best for the tire, but we're here. I'll give you a little tour. So we have the big doors in the front. We have the Tatra, of course. This is the tire that went flat. I just jacked it up, and I'll take it off and add a support underneath the brake drum, as one of the comments said. That was much safer. So I'll do that. But yeah, we have the truck, we have the big door, and then as you can see, it has snowed again outside, so the truck has arrived just in time. I can go all around, and then I have the other side of the truck here, and then at the back here I have space for to do stuff. So that's why I parked the truck so much forward. The doors open outward, so then I have all the space at the back here to have a little workbench and to change tires, etc. But yeah, so first things first, I want to take off this tire and just lay it on the ground instead of it being squished by the truck. All right, we'll start by removing the nuts. On the tire there are two rows of nuts. The inner row of nuts are the ones holding the tire to the truck. The outer row of nuts are the ones holding the rim together. When loosening the outer row of nuts, make sure that there is no air pressure in the tire. The nuts are quite easy to be removed, as I used some copper grease to prevent corrosion. What I noticed later was that the air valve was moved inside of the tire. I'm not sure what caused this, but I'll check the inside of the tire and outside. Then I will move the bead lock rubber to the correct position and reinstall the tire. But that'll be a separate video. Okay, so all the bolts are off now. There's just one ring that's a bit stuck on the bolt right there. But I'll wiggle the tire off so it will glide on here, then go on the ground, and I will roll it that way and lay it flat on the ground. Whilst I'm removing the tire, I also have a small update. I'm in contact with Tatra, and they can provide a document of when the truck was built and delivered to the Czech military. I'm hoping that this document is enough to support registration of the truck as an old vehicle. Next steps are to give the truck a proper clean, and since it's dry and warm inside, to attack some of the rusty areas. I will also modify the template for the chairs next week and send it to the company that will make them. I will also start to replace rubbers for the windows, as now the rain cannot go inside of the truck. So it's almost off right now. This one will come off now. Yes, okay. There we go. Okay, one more pull and it will go. Okay, there it is. So now, as you can see, it's leaning towards me, so I'll try to get it out of the bottom part. And and then we can roll it out of there. Okay, now it's off the rim, so I will roll it yeah, towards you guys, and then I'll put it on the ground. All right, so now it's properly supported. So yeah, I leaned the tire against the truck right here, so that it's easier to pick up. And we'll have a look in the next video what was up with it. All right, if you like this video, please make sure to like and subscribe, and see you in the next one.